Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to show you guys something real quick. So I know you guys have seen these on, if you go on AliExpress, they're always on there. They're these little silicone, like, a lot of people make things with like resin with them and stuff. But I buy these really little ones. I have a bunch of them. I have crosses and bows and teddy bears where you could do the front and the back side and then like put them together and make like, a gummy bear looking, or a moschino looking little bear. But what I like to do with them is, I had one I made, I don't know what I did with it though. I think it, like, I had it sitting up on top of my holder for my ring light, but all I do is, you can make your own like little nail decorations. I take a little bit of top coat or even base coat, and I just put a glob in there. So you could do this with colored, clear, whatever. This one I'm doing right here is the unicorn one. I do have ones that are like that has the whole alphabet A through Z, and also like 0 through 9. So you could do like your anniversary, or your initials or whatever. So then I just sometimes take some of these like little flaky sparkles, and depending on, jeez, my thing is so like, hold on here. So then if you want, you could just take some flakies. I'm just going to put another little drop on top of that, because I don't think I filled it enough. Hopefully I got it up by the horn here. Okay, then sometimes what I do is I just sometimes take my card and go along the top like this, just to make sure, kind of like, there ain't nothing overflowing on the sides. So then once you got your thing all done in there, which all you can really see is, there we go, the glitters, you stick it in your lamp. You could do 30 seconds. I do 60, and then when I take it out, I flip it over and I do like another 30 or 60, because I just want to make sure the inside is cured real good. And then if you have pigment powder, you can always put in there. A lot of times it'll go to the sides, and it'll just look like it's rimmed with color. I wish I could find my other ones I did. I did a flower, the unicorn. I did a couple just to show you, but I don't know what I did with them. I might have even thrown them out because I was cleaning up my desk and I just kind of swept everything off, and if it fell, I probably just, oh my goodness. Hopefully cured. You just pop that out of there. And you got like your cute little unicorn that you can place on your nail if you want. And it's just with You could put glitters in there, flakies, whatever you want. So I'm just gonna make like, let me see, I could do a white one here. So I'm just gonna do a white butterfly. Some gel polishes, don't get me wrong, work better than others. So here. See how it just kind of cleaned off all that stuff around it. I am sorry, my phone just keeps going off. It's just like a notification. I have like this camera thing, and whenever it has motion, it just goes off from my house. I should put it on a pause for a while. So here is our little unicorn. Oh, wrong one. So here, and then you kind of just, it pops right out. This one's much thinner than the the unicorn I did. So here's our butterfly. I am going to shoot that phone. And then here, and you know, it's nice because you kind of bend it to your nail. And then you could just put it on like your nail and stuff. So I just wanted to show you that. They are really cute. Here, let me grab a nail real quick. So I'm just going to grab this orange one here, this little pop stick one. And you could take a little bit of drill glue or a little bit of gel or even a top coat, gel top coat, or even a regular, and just wait for it to dry. I'm just going to use a little drill glue. Then I'm going to stick that back in the lamp. And yeah, these, I just think they're really cute to like make your own little DIY decos for your nails and like little charms and stuff. And here again was our unicorn. You could see all the flakies in there. And of course you could top coat it to make it a little more shiny. Okay, and as you see, it's on there. And all it is polish cured, so. And yeah, it's on there. It's on there real good and tight. And if you want, you could use a little polish and color it, or a little color paints. And use some pigments and make it nice and like shiny and chromatic. But I really like the white, so I'm just going to leave it like that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that I just use basic gel polish, cheap gel polish at that. I stuck some flakies in the top coat I used for the clear one for this unicorn. So here was the unicorn again, and here was our butterfly I did with the white gel polish, and then I just stuck it on there with a drill glue that's for holding on rhinestones and stuff. So actually you could just go right over it. I think you've seen a little more detail when it wasn't top coated, but so what I'm going to do is I'm I'm going to take my icky brush here and just wipe. A little bit of it off. Because it took some of that, I don't know if you could see it. See how it's got like detail in there? Kind of covered some of it up. So again, I'll just stick it in there for 10 seconds. But yeah, that's all it is. 1, 2, 3. And then you can make all your own little... So I'll leave a link to a few of these that you could get. This one has unicorns and it has crosses. This one's got butterflies. And here, let me show you a couple other ones that I have actually just right here with me. Here is one with like, let me see if I can, like flowers and the stems, the little leaf, so you can make like your own roses or daisies. Then what else do we got here? We got numbers. I guess I have another one of numbers. Maybe that'll go in a giveaway. Here, this is Louis Vuitton one. So this one's really cool. This one actually is crowns and wings, like angel wings. Or at least that's what it looks like right there. This is letters. Lowercase letters. Let's see here. I actually have a bigger one here, just a big heart. But here is like some card playing, like the clubs, diamonds, hearts, spades. Let's see. Here was like what I was saying. You got the teddy bear and then the back of them. So you could put like the teddy bear and then you could connect the back, or yeah. Here's some like bows. You could do like a Christmas present on your nail and then put the bow right in the middle. Let's see. I think I only have one more in here to show you. Here was the flower ones that I have. I don't know if you can really make the flower. But yeah, and they're really easy to clean. You can just, I just use some alcohol or some soap and water in the sink, and that just cleans them right up. So, no maintenance to keep them clean or anything. But yeah, that's just the end of my tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick, because I thought they were pretty neat, and I've been meaning to make a video on them. So that is that. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked this. And yeah, hope to see you guys come back real soon. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.